Hello, I am Monica Singh from Amalgam Biotech, the authorized representative of Aerox B.V, a Netherlands-based global leader in odor control solutions. Industries like food, feed, oil, rendering, tobacco, and many more often face serious odor issues. These emissions affect nearby communities and a company's image. Traditionally, odor is controlled using biological filters and activated carbon. But these come with challenges like unstable bacteria growth and frequent media replacement. That's where Aerox Plasma Technology comes in. Instead of treating odors inside a vessel, Aerox injects active oxygen directly into the chimney or exhaust line. Using only electricity, this active oxygen oxidizes and neutralizes odor compounds, releasing clean and odor-free air. The results are impressive. Up to 95% odor reduction, no water, no chemicals, no fuel. Compact design with low maintenance and long operational life. That's why global leaders like Cargill, British American Tobacco, and Bayer have already trusted Aerox. At Amalgam Biotech, we are excited to bring this proven, sustainable odor control solution to you. Because at the end of the day, every industry deserves fresh air for its neighbors. Thank you.